Introducing the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this well-appointed Hyundai Santa Fe, the family-friendly vehicle that combines versatility and premium build quality with a pleasing ride and desirable passenger amenities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, rear spoiler, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights. Give your family the quality they deserve in this upscale Santa Fe. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.